Welcome back, friends, to all those who are crazy about new vehicles, campers, and the modern lifestyle. Today's video is truly for you, because we've brought you a 2025 masterpiece that will make you say, what a brilliant invention. Yes, today we're talking about the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper, which is not only a unique idea but also a growing need of today's times. If you want to live with travel, simplicity, and style, all at once, then watch this video till the very end, because every second will surprise your eyes and delight your heart. This Tricycle RV Camper is a dream standing on three wheels. It features a tiny home setup, a cozy bed, light kitchen facilities, and full comfort during travel. Its design is so eye-catching that people will turn around just to look at it. And that's what makes it truly one of a kind. It's not just a camper, it's a moving home. Inside, you'll find soothing lights, wooden frames, and subtle sounds that make you feel deeply connected to nature. This 2025 Tricycle RV Camper is especially designed for those who want to live freely, without hotel bookings or dragging around huge truck-sized campers. It's lightweight and operates with the simplicity of cycling. That means, no fuel hassle, no loud engines, just peaceful, self-directed travel. And yes, if you're looking for a smart solution for one or two people that's comfortable and affordable, then this RV camper was made just for you. Inside, it features a compact bed system that folds into a seating area. There's a small storage space where you can keep clothes, essentials, and even a mini solar power setup. Its ventilation system is amazing. Windows open wide, airflow stays smooth, and even in summer you'll breathe easy. Another standout point, it's not just for show. This Tricycle RV Camper runs smoothly in hilly areas, cities, villages, and even along coastal roads. Its three wheels give it great stability. If you've ever dreamed of a journey without interruptions, and sleeping every night in a cozy cabin at a new spot, then believe me, this camper turns that dream into reality. It includes a small solar panel that powers your basic electricity needs, like charging your phone, a small light, and even a mini fan if needed. In today's world where everything is getting expensive and complex, this Tricycle RV Camper is a beautiful combination of simplicity and freedom. It gives you more freedom at a lower cost. And yes, you don't need any special license to ride it. Parking, wherever you want, just stop and relax. So friends, if you truly want something new, light, and exciting in your life, then keep watching this video till the very end, because in the next moments we're going to show you the full inside view, the lifestyle setup, and the unique features, after seeing which, your heart may also say, this is exactly what I need. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't wait, because on this channel, you'll find unique campers, stunning cars, and future-ready journeys that aren't just dreams anymore, they're becoming reality. Stay connected with us, because every new video here opens a new path to your dreams. Thank you and stay happy.